If you are designing or manufacturing equipment with electrical systems, you know that using the right tools is critical. So let's take a look at SolidWorks Electrical and see how you can leverage this powerful application to streamline the design and integration of electrical systems. After selecting and opening the Resimin project, you can access directly within SolidWorks all the schematic diagrams, reports, and documents created by the electrical engineer that are attached to the project. This helps electrical and mechanical engineers collaborate more efficiently and makes the integration of electrical systems a breeze. Now, let's open the 3D model of the Resimin electrical panel. This enclosure is located at the back of the truck and contains several circuit breakers, contactors, relays, and push buttons to control and operate the system. Another panel with additional control buttons and an emergency stop is located next to the driver's seat. All of the electrical components that needs to be placed within the assembly are also listed and grouped by location. For added clarity, you can hide the components that have already been placed in the assembly. If we open the electrical cabinet, it's obvious that some components are still missing. They can be added very easily with SolidWorks Electrical. Simply select one or more components and click Insert. At this stage, you can decide to reorganize them if necessary. Then, SolidWorks Electrical automatically finds and loads the right part from the library. The components, like this circuit breaker, also snaps directly onto the DIN mounting rail, allowing you to rapidly lay out electrical panels or more complex systems. To speed up the process even more, all of the other components are automatically mounted on the panel according to the specified spacing. The integration of electrical subsystems is also simplified thanks to several available tools and features. The Align tool, for example, allows you to respace and realign electrical components to comply with clearance requirements and ensure proper heat dissipation. DIN mounting rail can even be added, deleted, or precisely resized using a dedicated feature. But what makes SolidWorks Electrical so unique is the ability to automatically wire your electrical panel with the click of a single button. All the wires and cables are automatically and almost instantly routed through the wiring ducts, following any low and high voltage segregation requirements that you may have specified. In just seconds, the powerful auto-route capabilities allow you to wire electrical panels and also complete electrical installations no matter how complex they are. Also, SolidWorks Electrical features true bidirectional capabilities, meaning that any part deleted from the schematic will be instantly removed from the 3D model to prevent and avoid costly mistakes inherent to design changes. With SolidWorks Electrical, you can really speed up the integration of complex electrical subsystems, optimize your panel wiring, and ensure proper fit and function of the system. You can even calculate the necessary true wire and cable lengths to get accurate and up-to-date drawings and front tool lists. For added realism, the wiring can also be done with 3D wires and cables using the properties, color, and diameter specified in the 2D schematic. This is perfect to showcase your products to potential customers long before they even reach production. With unique and innovative capabilities, SolidWorks Electrical helps streamline design processes and seamlessly integrates electrical and mechanical design systems. It will also drastically improve the collaboration between your electrical and mechanical design teams.